Guys, it's Swiss Fries FPV, and a few days ago I posted this picture on my social channels. To be honest, this is a huge clickbait. All you need to add an OLED screen to any micro TX or full TX with a broken OLED is this little device. It's called the Keychain configurator. It costs about 40 bucks and it's super easy to install. Let me show you how to use it. To get started, you first need to connect the Crossfire via a micro USB OTG cable, which you can get on AliExpress or Amazon. I'll link some in the description. The Keychain configurator needs to be powered from a power source between 2S and 5S. I added an XT30 connector on mine, but you can choose whichever one you want. When the tool power up, the menu will appear, and if you connected everything the right way, the first entry you will see is TBS Crossfire, and you will be prompted with selection of all connected CRSF devices. When you enter a device, you get all the options you would get on the built-in screen on a full-size TX. Even the recently added features such as My VTX are available. If you push and hold the joystick, you get into a menu where you can set failsafe, read the device information, or bind receivers. Like on the built-in screen, you can update receivers with just a click and don't have to go through the whole hassle with the TBS agent. To go back into a previously shown menu, you just hold the joystick left. Back on the Crossfire device selection, you can choose a receiver or a connected 32-bit VTX and enter it to adjust settings. Like for example, change the channel map of this micro RX. If you go back to the main menu, you are prompted with options to use the KKC as a USB charger with low voltage protection included, the option to use it as a serial bridge, which I will explain how to use in a future video. Also, there are options to change the settings of the tools itself, if you, for example, want to build it into a DIY project like a charging station. Together with the creator of this tool, Alexander Fedorov, aka Fedor Commander, I'll be giving away 2 of these Keychain configurators. To enter the giveaway, follow me on Instagram at SwissFries and post a video where you're telling us why you are the person who needs this device the most, and add the hashtag #INeedThatKKC. I wish you good luck, and the giveaway ends on December 24th.